Talking like you trying to do things. Now that pipe gotta run it like she used to.
Today is the Galentine. I did my hair, my makeup, and everything. Hair, nails, everything done. And I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna wear with the heels and everything. It's gonna be very brief. So I'm gonna wear this instead of what I was gonna wear before. The ties in the front here. And I'm thinking about wearing these heels. What do you think? It's gonna be so cute. PM workout because I just didn't feel like working out earlier and I had things to do. But yeah, I'm gonna start working out. I made my protein shake. This vlog is gonna be so short-lived because, like I said, I have been so busy. So I just got done filming this look. It's a V-Day look, a Valentine's Day look. Turn off the ring light. But like I was saying, the perfume of the day is Sabrina Carpenter. I don't really like this sunscreen because it's like very patchy, but then it works. But it says AM. I would definitely use it in the PM instead. And I have this sunscreen, the La Roche-Posay. The La Roche-Posay is actually pretty good. It's what I'm wearing under my makeup right here because it actually melts into my skin and makes my skin look so nice. I misplaced my Fenty sunscreen and I have to go re-up because I don't know where it is. So it's like I'm trying to do like a quick catch up with you all because I didn't get the chance to. I didn't get the chance to catch up, and I usually have a shot. So I'm gonna see if I could just take my shot. I don't know if y'all could take my shot with me. So I'm about to take my shot right now. my shot. Let me have my shot now because today has been a hectic, busy day for me. When I tell you, but how are you doing? And it's actually PM right now. And I'm still taking this. I don't care. I do not get it. Actually, I'm not gonna take it. Because if I'm gonna sleep, I don't think this would be a good idea. But look what I made for Valentine's Day. I painted this. Like, oh my god, it's so cute. I love it. I have it here like an accent piece. And I have a little balloon back there. So my little table is looking very Valentine's Day-ish. So I'm done cooking my breakfast and I'm gonna have some of the chipotle hot sauce with this. Maybe what I'm gonna drink while I eat my breakfast. So yeah, I'm gonna eat right now. Thank God for this food. Yeah, I need to start eating. So I never showed, but I have finally changed my bedding. And I just have my pillows and my nice white sheets. Very crisp, very comforting. And yeah, this is where I lay my head at night. Very comfortable.
I'm too hip to hop around town, I hit with ya.
I heard that pussy for the taking. I heard it got these other niggas going crazy. Yeah, I treat you like a lady, lady. Fuck you till you burned out, cremation. Make it cream, yeah, Wu-Tang. Throw that ass back, okay. Call me and I can get it Tuesday. I can tell you gone